common mistake people make when they want to make their house more energy efficient. They'll go foam the walls and foam the attic and do a great job of insulating things, but not really understanding that can cause other problems if those things aren't thought about before the foam is applied. Radiant barrier is really great because although it doesn't insulate necessarily and it doesn't really air seal like foam, it does a great job of keeping radiant heat out of the attic, and that's a tremendous amount of load in the attic.